Hopefully the wind doesn't absolutely ruin the audio here. Might be able to see in the background that I am at Singapore Stadium and I'm on a kayak. Yeah, 2 hours, $15 kayak. Beautiful day. Maybe a bit too beautiful. Might get a bit burnt.
The city that we love. Great clouds roll over the hills, bringing darkness for But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? But if you close your eyes, but if you close your eyes, but if you close your eyes, if you But if you close your eyes,
yeah, so I'm more than a little bit sunburnt today after spending the day kayaking, especially on my shins, they're pretty bad. God, there's so much road noise. But on top of that, I've got a lot of aching muscles after spending 2 hours paddling around. So even though today is my last full day in Singapore, I think I'm just going to spend the day doing absolutely nothing, relaxing, doing a bit of editing. And yeah, tomorrow I'll be getting on my flight and going home. So yeah, that's something to look forward to. Finally going home after like a whole year of travelling. Oh man. I wonder what England's going to be like. Has it changed much in the last year?
I feel the stars above my soul. See myself and I lost the feeling to feel home. I see myself and I lost the feeling to feel home.
So here we are, 1 year later, right where it all started. I've had a pretty busy year. So from humble beginnings buying a Honda Odyssey out in New Zealand, travelling around the entire country, climbing mountains, caving, bungee jumping, skydiving, pretty awesome stuff. I'm genuinely pleased with some of the stuff that I accomplished out there. It was great. Yeah, I spent about 11 months travelling around the whole of New Zealand, North and South Island, before moving over to Western Australia and spending a couple of weeks with family there. Luckily my cousin out there is really into photography, so he took me down to the south. We saw a few cool things there, and a friend of his owns Peel Zoo, so I got to go to the zoo, check out all the animals and hold an awesome snake. And then following that, I risked coronavirus and went into Singapore. That was pretty awesome. I finally got to see the world famous Gardens by the Bay. And then I went on to Universal Studios Singapore and I finally got on the Jurassic Park ride. And then to round it all off, I had a lovely little kayak around the bay. Got a bit sunburned, but still, it was worth it. And then the flight home from there was 14 hours long. Pretty easy. I had a whole row of seats to myself, so I got to stretch out and lie down. Probably got a couple of hours sleep, but spent most of the time awake. There are plenty of like checkpoints with heat sensing cameras at the airports to check if you have coronavirus. Nobody stopped me or anything, so I'm guessing I'm clean, at least for now. Yeah, it's pretty mad going from 30-degree heat in, Australia and Singapore to like 7-degree heat over in the UK. It's absolutely freezing in comparison. I have a lot of acclimatising to do. I have a lot of sleep to catch up on. and eventually I am going to have to find a job and get back to normality. So this is goodbye for now.